Tesla's Optimus just took a massive leap forward. Its walk is now more confident, navigating complex environments with ease. Using onboard neural nets, Optimus explores new spaces, avoiding obstacles and people while learning from its surroundings in real time. And here's the kicker. Every Optimus bot shares data with others, creating a collective intelligence for smarter navigation. Running low on power? Optimus finds the nearest charger, docks itself with precision, and gets back to work, all on its own. From lifting an 11-kilogram battery tray to carrying it without overheating, Optimus shows it's got both brains and brawn. Optimus is also now venturing on non-flat terrain, such as climbing stairs. Need a helping hand? Optimus now interacts with humans, responds to unsafe behaviors, and hands out items on request. All of this is powered by a single neural net running in real time, proving that Tesla's AI expertise is driving robotics forward. From walking to working, Optimus is shaping the future of robotics. What's your take? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tesla tech updates.